Working with a great firm at present on their online marketing endeavours, the perennial question that we're so often asked is, what content do we need to generate as a firm? We always answer, content that your clients want. Most law firms think that they know what their clients want, but in fact from our experience their perception and the reality don't often eclipse. Hence we encourage firms to ask their clients what they want instead of just assuming that they know. One great learning this week was that one firm actually went out and did it, and the results were so surprising. The firm has a bent towards commercial law and went out to a dozen or so of their biggest clients and simply asked them what type of information would be useful, how they would like that information, and of course, most importantly, the frequency of that information. They then went and applied the same methodology or exercise to commercial clients that they would like to acquire. It was a great move, not only because of the information they got back, but because it was a terrific way to engage with this cohort to simply say, we're proud of our firm, we're proud of the material we write, and we want to be of use to you, even though you're not a current client. That point aside though, the results of asking the questions were surprising. It was unanimous. What they wanted was, 1, content that mattered to them, 2, content that was easy to navigate in particular with a really good use of summaries, and 3, content not sent to them weekly but rather bi-monthly or every 2 months, but with the ability to access information in the interim, whether it be via a library or otherwise. For this firm, what they found was that their clients and potential clients were being hammered with email content on a weekly and often daily basis, and they ignored most of it. What they wanted from this firm was great content provided in an easy to understand manner, and they wanted it less often, but wanted to know if they had a question in the interim, there was a library of helpful resources they could simply access. Big learnings here, because there can be a real tendency for law firms and businesses generally to think they know what their clients want, and in this case, had we instigated email and social media campaigns on behalf of the law firm on a frequent cycle, it may well have been counterproductive and possibly an annoyance to the people who you don't want to annoy.